We're boarding our flight now. We're headed home.
Also, we're kind of stressing out in this vlog because something happened. We missed our flight.
When I'm gone, don't you miss me? When I'm gone, don't you cry? I'm not too far away, just right on the other side. Play this song.
It's something about airport terminals. They're kind of preloaded with emotions of excitement because you're going to a new destination, emotions of sadness because you're leaving people that you love, and emotions of new beginnings. And today, I feel all of it. It's weird. We're here at Vienna Airport. We're leaving Austria. We said goodbye to family, and we're flying to another place. I'm not going to say where we're flying. It's the usual procedure here on the vlog. We surprise you when we arrive at the destination. In this vlog, we won't be arriving at the destination. At this vlog, we kind of will be reflecting over what has happened over the past few weeks and why we're kind of emotional today. It's a emotionally loaded vlog. Exciting, sad, but all in all quite good. Also, we're kind of stressing out in this vlog because something happened, which we're not going to mention in this vlog, but something happened to Nelly and it's really, really not good.
Why do always these things happen to me?
Yeah,
Why? I'm such a nice person. Why?
Yeah. I feel really sorry for you.
I feel sorry for me too.
But more about that in tomorrow's vlog. More about that.
Yeah,
in tomorrow's
we
vlog.
have to see how things work out because of that issue in tomorrow's vlog. Let's just say,
if you guys can guess what it is, please guess in the comments down below.
Let's just say I was so surprised, shocked, and kind of upset that it happened to me again. You know, it's always me. Why is it always me? But yeah, you'll see tomorrow. Okay, you see this. This saved us big time in Austria. We would not be allowed to go outside without this, the vaccination certification from the WHO. I'm so glad we took the time in the Philippines to, get this for our Europe trip. Saved us big time. So if you travel to Europe, please go through the trouble to get this one. It takes, 1 hour? So easy to get. Just do it. Things are going crazy here.
Don't you miss me when I'm gone, don't you cry? I'm not too far away, just right on the other side. Play this song when you're drifting all alone at night.
Okay, we've boarded our flight and we are heading over to Istanbul now. And as I said, I'm still going to keep it a secret where we are actually flying to, but one thing is for sure, we're very excited about the place that we're traveling to, and we're very excited about the people that we're going to see at the place we're traveling to. What we can say is, it is not the Philippines yet, but shortly after this trip, we are actually flying to the Philippines. Thank you. We're actually going to be flying to the Philippines from the next location that we're traveling to. So if you would care to guess where we're traveling to, please do so in the comments down below.
Here's one hint. You've seen these people already in our vlogs a while ago.
Yes. Yes. And this place in our vlogs
Yes.
a while ago.
I'm alive. When I'm gone, don't you miss me? When I'm gone, don't you cry? I'm not too far away, just right on the other side. Play this song when you're drifting all alone at night. When I'm gone, don't you miss me? When I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone.
Pure perfection, no more broken. All the answers, no more hoping.
It is time for Life Hacks with Nelly! So as you guys know, we have already shared a few life hacks and things that make your life easier on this channel. I'm super happy that we partnered up once again with Wondershare with the product Repair It. Repair It is a one-stop solution to repair corrupted videos, photos and files regardless of the level of damage. And I'm pretty sure if you ever took pictures with a camera and wanted to open it at home after your vacation or after a celebration or anything special that you had going on, you found out that the file is not opening. It's corrupted, it's damaged, and it's not the end of the world. Trust me, we've been in that situation many times. We thought that we lost a few vlogs. We were able to repair the files and use it for our vlogs. And trust me when I say it's super intuitive and easy to use, so you don't have to fear, you know, having some difficulties with the usage of the program. With Repair It, you can make corrupted, unplayable videos playable again. You can also repair important photos even if the photos are broken. With the file repair tool, you can easily regain corrupted, inaccessible and unreadable files. It can also fix files like PDF, Word, PowerPoint if you need it for your job or for your homework. So if you have that presentation prepared for the day, but it's gone, you can still recover it with Repair It from Wondershare. And you can just drag and drop it into the software and it will do everything for you. I will leave a link in the description box down below for you guys to try it out, and if you ever need it, give it a try. And I would highly suggest to download it now, because in a few months when it happens and you have not the answer, you will forget about it, so you have it on your computer just in case.
We just arrived in Istanbul. There is so much snow outside, so much snow. And basically, we missed our flight.
Yes.
But I'm low-key not panicking at all, because usually when you fly Turkish Airlines and something like this happens, you just get rebooked. They usually hook you up with a nice hotel room. So
I hope there is some room free for us.
So it could be really nice, or we'll have to just sit down here somewhere. Anyway, it'll be all figured out. In these situations, I learned it doesn't make sense to be annoyed or angry, because that's not going to help you in any way. Just keep a smile on your face and a smile on your eyes, because usually people are going to help you way more when you're happy and friendly and not when you're yelling. Okay guys, quick update and good morning. It is the next day. I don't know what was the last thing that I vlogged. Yes, Turkish Airlines rebooked us to the next flight to Miami and were kind enough to upgrade our flight. They also offered to hook us up with a nice hotel in downtown Istanbul, but Nelly didn't feel like going into the city. She felt a little bit unsafe with all the weather conditions changing, so we decided to sleep here in the lounge, and I'm actually sitting on my bed where I slept very well. There's so many like resting, sleeping, sitting and eating areas in this lounge. I'll give you a quick tour of the lounge in a second. We're also going to have a shower, because they do have nice shower facilities, and they actually do also have like sleeping rooms, but due to all the cancellations of flights, all the sleeping rooms were booked, were full. But I mean, this was super comfortable. I've never slept this well on a couch. So yeah, we're gonna have a shower, we're gonna have breakfast, give you a tour of the lounge, and then we'll be heading to the next flight.
Meet me out in Uptown City where the store. Said you wanna go downtown, she blushing on the low. Don't care where we end up, tell me where to go. They cheering in the background, yelling, here we go, here we go.
Okay, check is done. Everything went smoothly. To be honest, I was a little bit surprised how smooth it was after our flight delay. So we caught we're boarding our flight now. We're headed home. Not only to the Philippines, but also to another home that we used to have. Any guesses? Take them in the comment section down below. But the flight to the Philippines is on the same ticket, meaning that just a few days later, we're finally flying back to Manila. And I must say, I'm so excited to, you know, be at home again, see Peanuts, sleep in my own bed. Although we had a really nice time here with our family, you know, I just miss our home that is now the Philippines. So yeah, good memories that we had here. Now it's time to seek for new adventures. Mike, how was it in Austria?
Oh, it was lovely. It was so nice to be with family. It was so nice to wake up every morning and have breakfast with my parents. Lovely to see my brother. And yeah, it was really, really, really nice. And we hadn't spent this much time in Austria in six years maybe.
Yeah.
It's been a really, really long time. And it's just very exciting for us because right now every flight that we take brings us one step closer to the Philippines again.
Yeah.
And we have an amazing few days in front of us now at the secret location, which I guess everybody can guess it already after what Nelly said. But we'll still try and keep it a secret, I guess. But yeah, we're very excited.
It is really interesting to me how a trip that was supposed to be 3 weeks turned out to be 3 months. And then when we traveled to Austria, we were supposed to stay for 1 week, and we stayed 1 month. So a lot of plans have changed, but we are very, very lucky that we, we're able to just spend it at home with our family. It's time well spent. It's not wasted time, right?
Don't care where we end up, tell me where to go. They tearing in the